thinks he's only going to do one term. They bring him back. It's like, now's the time you get like that Al Pacino clip. Like, every time I think I'm out, they keep dragging me back. He's unanimously elected for a second term. Starts in 1793, goes to 1797. He continues to stabilize the country. He keeps us out of a number of different foreign entanglements. But now, because people are people and humans are not the greatest of animals in the world.
People are people.
Now, now all of a sudden, some of the veneer comes off, not from George Washington, but people who are jealous of him.
Right.
And now there's a second party. And they didn't want to have party politics. They had the Labor and Tories and whatever, the Whigs in England. They didn't want that. They thought we were just Americans now. Well, people are people, and people get, bits of avarice, and they want to have the power, and they want to do this. And why is he in charge? I can do better. And the second term for Washington, for him personally, is plagued by a lot of things that come into play because of party politics. He is assailed in the newspapers a number of times at the behest of someone by the name of Thomas Jefferson, who is in the opposition party now. There is open debate and rancor in the cabinet between especially Jefferson and Alexander Hamilton. Hamilton's a stout Washington supporter. But Washington keeps his dignity. He doesn't go into the fray. He doesn't sully himself and get in it takes a toll on him. But he keeps the country and everything dignified and keeps stability. And at the end of his second term, as Lou said, he didn't have an obligation. Most people hung on to power. He voluntarily relinquished it. And to this day, on his birthday in the Senate, a senator is selected. I don't know how they're chosen, but a senator is selected to read Washington's farewell speech. His farewell speech was printed in every newspaper in the country, and it was meant to tell everyone in the country that we're good. He wanted to implore the people to remain united. I think one of the quotes from his farewell speech was, "The name of American, which belongs to you in your national capacity, must always exalt the just pride of patriotism more than any appellation derived from local discriminations." He wanted people to be proud to be American. He told them to uphold the Constitution. He told them to beware of political parties because they're going to subvert the government. They're going to try to divide everybody. Sound familiar in 2026? Telling people to stick to their morals because he wanted people to remain people of faith and have morality, to value education, make sure the budget was balanced. Wish we could do that now. Avoid foreign entanglements. He wanted everyone to he'd seen enough of war. He wanted us to be a peaceful nation. And he ends it by basically saying, you know what? If I did anything that was a problem, please forgive me for my mistakes. I'm just human. I'm looking back to going forward, to returning to my role as a citizen farmer.
Right.
Peace out.
Peace out. Exactly. And that's what made it unique, is that he had the opportunity to basically rule till he died, and he chose not to. And that's a unique thing, especially nowadays, is finding somebody ready and willing to relinquish power when they have the total ability.